Welcome to Auto Elite, where today we take you deep into the world of agricultural innovation with the New Holland Thresher 2026, a machine that represents the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, exceptional engineering, and farmer-focused design. The New Holland brand has long been a symbol of trust and efficiency in the agricultural sector, and the 2026 Thresher model continues that legacy by introducing features that not only improve performance but also redefine the standards of modern crop harvesting. This machine has been designed to cater to the needs of large-scale farmers, contractors, and agricultural enterprises looking to maximize productivity while minimizing operating costs. The sleek yet functional design, combined with advanced control systems, ensures that it can handle a variety of crops and field conditions with unmatched precision. At first glance, the New Holland Thresher 2026 impresses with its robust build quality. The exterior is engineered with high-strength steel and reinforced structural points, giving it the durability to withstand heavy-duty use over multiple harvest seasons. The streamlined design also plays a role in enhancing operational efficiency by reducing wind resistance and improving fuel economy. The color scheme retains New Holland's iconic blue and yellow combination, symbolizing both tradition and innovation. The front intake system has been reimagined with a wider feeder housing, ensuring a more consistent crop flow even in uneven fields. This not only speeds up the threshing process but also helps maintain grain quality by reducing crop stress during feeding. Under the hood, the 2026 Thresher is powered by a next-generation Tier 5 compliant diesel engine, delivering a remarkable blend of power and fuel efficiency. This engine is capable of producing higher torque at lower RPMs, allowing the machine to operate smoothly even under heavy load. The fuel injection system is electronically controlled for optimal combustion, and an advanced cooling system ensures consistent performance in both cool and extremely hot climates. With power output exceeding previous models, operators can work longer hours without experiencing performance drop-offs. The engine is also built with eco-friendly considerations, significantly reducing emissions while still delivering the high horsepower needed for demanding threshing operations. The threshing mechanism itself is one of the standout features of the New Holland Thresher 2026. Incorporating an upgraded multi-stage rotor system, it ensures that the separation and cleaning process is both faster and more precise. The concave design has been refined to handle different crop types, from wheat and rice to maize and soybeans, without the need for extensive adjustments. This adaptability saves valuable time during harvest season when every minute counts. The cleaning shoe is wider and more efficient, equipped with self-leveling capabilities that maintain consistent performance on uneven terrain. The combination of enhanced airflow and improved sieve design leads to cleaner grain samples, reducing post-harvest cleaning requirements. Operator comfort and control have also been taken to the next level. The 2026 Thresher features a redesigned cab that prioritizes visibility, ergonomics, and technology integration. Large panoramic windows provide a clear view of the header and surrounding field, while soundproofing measures reduce cabin noise to make long working days less tiring. The adjustable air suspension seat, along with intuitive joystick controls, ensures that operators can work for extended periods without fatigue. The climate control system has been improved to handle extreme temperatures, providing consistent comfort regardless of the weather. Inside the cab, a state-of-the-art digital display integrates all machine functions into one easy-to-navigate interface. From here, operators can monitor engine performance, adjust threshing settings, track yield data, and even access GPS guidance for precision farming. The New Holland Thresher 2026 also comes with advanced connectivity features. Built-in telematics allow farm managers to monitor machine location, performance, and maintenance needs remotely via a smartphone or computer. This real-time data tracking enables proactive maintenance, reducing downtime and preventing costly repairs. The machine can also receive over-the-air software updates, ensuring that it remains at peak performance with the latest technological improvements. For contractors managing multiple machines across different locations, this connectivity is a game-changer in terms of efficiency and cost management. One of the major highlights of the 2026 model is its fuel efficiency. Thanks to the combination of an optimized engine, improved hydraulics, and intelligent load sensing systems, the Thresher consumes significantly less fuel per hectare harvested compared to its predecessors. This translates into substantial savings over the course of a harvest season, especially for large-scale operations. Additionally, the fuel tank capacity has been increased, allowing for longer operating hours without the need for frequent refueling stops. The machine's transmission system has also been refined to deliver smooth power transfer, ensuring that even in challenging field conditions, the thresher maintains optimal ground speed for maximum productivity. Maintenance has been made easier than ever on the New Holland Thresher 2026. Engineers have focused on accessibility, with service points placed within easy reach and maintenance panels designed for quick opening. The lubrication system is automated in critical areas, reducing the need for constant manual greasing. Oil change intervals have been extended thanks to improved filtration and cooling systems, further cutting down on maintenance costs and downtime. Safety features have also been enhanced, with better lighting systems for night operations, improved braking performance, and integrated sensors that alert the operator to potential hazards or maintenance issues. When it comes to versatility, the New Holland Thresher 2026 doesn't disappoint. Multiple header options are available to suit different crop types and harvesting conditions. Quick change header attachments allow for rapid switching between crops without the need for specialized tools. This flexibility makes the machine suitable for diverse agricultural operations, from small family farms to large commercial enterprises. For rice farmers, the optional rice-specific kit includes reinforced components and special adjustments to handle the unique demands of wet field harvesting. For maize and sunflower growers, specialized headers ensure maximum efficiency and minimal loss. The harvesting capacity of the 2026 thresher is truly impressive. With its widened cleaning system and improved crop flow design, it can process more tons per hour than previous models while still maintaining exceptional grain quality. The grain tank capacity has been increased to reduce unloading frequency, and the unloading auger is now faster and more efficient. For farmers working in large fields, this means less downtime and more acres covered in a single day. The unloading spout has been redesigned for better reach and positioning, making it easier to unload into high-sided trailers. In terms of durability, New Holland has spared no expense in ensuring that the 2026 thresher can handle years of heavy use. From reinforced chassis components to wear-resistant materials in high-friction areas, every part has been built with longevity in mind. Field testing in a variety of climates and crop conditions has proven the machine's ability to perform reliably, whether it's in the dusty heat of a wheat harvest or the damp conditions of rice fields. Corrosion-resistant coatings and high-quality paint finishes ensure that the machine retains its professional appearance even after years of service. From an environmental standpoint, the New Holland Thresher 2026 incorporates several eco-friendly features. The advanced engine reduces emissions significantly, meeting stringent global standards. The machine's design minimizes grain loss, ensuring that more of the crop makes it to storage rather than being left in the field. Lower fuel consumption also contributes to a reduced carbon footprint, making it a more sustainable choice for forward-thinking farmers. Additionally, certain components are made from recyclable materials, reflecting New Holland's commitment to environmental responsibility. In the world of modern agriculture, time and efficiency are everything, and the New Holland Thresher 2026 is built to deliver both in abundance. Whether you are a farmer looking to upgrade your equipment, a contractor seeking high-capacity machinery for multiple clients, or an agricultural enterprise aiming to maximize profits through better efficiency, this machine ticks all the boxes. It's a tool that not only improves productivity but also enhances the overall harvesting experience through comfort, technology, and ease of use. With its blend of high-performance mechanics, operator-focused design, advanced connectivity, and long-term durability, the New Holland Thresher 2026 stands as a symbol of what modern harvesting equipment should be. It is more than just a thresher, it is an investment in efficiency, sustainability, and future-proof farming. By incorporating feedback from farmers and leveraging the latest advancements in agricultural engineering, New Holland has created a machine that is ready to meet the challenges of today and tomorrow. For those who demand the best in their fields, the New Holland Thresher 2026 is not just an option, it's the standard by which all others will be measured. If you want, I can also make a viral SEO YouTube description and 20 high-ranking tags for this New Holland Thresher 2026 video so it reaches more views. Do you want me to prepare that next?